Buddy, so based on some conversations I had this week and based on some emails that I've been reading, I think some of us aren't quite there in terms of logging onto Canvas and figuring out how to do a class at MJC online. So I'm going to make a quick video that goes through a little bit, just a tiny little bit of that process. I may also pull back just a little bit to give everybody a chance to kind of all get on the same page. To answer your questions, by the way, people keep asking. Our course is asynchronous, but I am very, very available. If you have questions, don't hesitate to email me. You should also be logging onto my office hours, which I haven't posted yet because it's the first week and we haven't really done anything. But I will be posting the office hours here shortly. So you can come, we can chat about biology, or you can just hang out. Those are coming shortly. They're probably going to be like Tuesday through Friday, maybe 12 to 1, maybe 11 to 12. I still haven't quite figured that out yet, but that's what you should be looking for. And again, if you can't make that time, I do take appointments. I will invite other people to that office hour session, but if you can't make it, just let me know and we'll figure out a different time to meet. And don't hesitate to send me emails ever. So let's talk about Canvas. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of myself here. And let's click on my favorite browser. You could pick your favorite browser. I think most of them work. The mainstream ones work. But let's go to modesto.instructure. This is the URL you can use to access Canvas. It is modesto.instructure.com. So I added this in after the fact, by the way, but I just realized that maybe some of you aren't quite sure. So you're going to go to modesto.instructure, and then you're going to go ahead and click on this. This is our course right here. Go ahead and click on that, and that'll take you in our class here. Or you could click on Ecology if that's the class of mine that you're in. Now let's go ahead and go to Student View and see what you guys can see. So here are some of those announcements that I posted. Here's a little FAQ. There's only a couple of things in there, and I think everything in there I covered in my video. Let's see, course introduction. Let's just click on the syllabus. So here is my syllabus. Even though it says ecology syllabus for some reason, this is 111. It's opening up our file preview. So there it is, Bio 111, Spring 2021. If you get to the very bottom here and you keep scrolling down, you'll see here is our schedule posted in plain text. So anyway, there is our syllabus. Let's go ahead and go back to modules and go to the next thing. So here's our student information survey. I'd like to get some information from you guys, and that will be very helpful for me in terms of figuring out maybe some of the obstacles that you might be facing or things that you're going through while you're trying to take my class. Two truths and a lie, data sharing discussion. We're going to be using Google Sheets a reasonable amount, and so this is just kind of a soft introduction to that. You're just going to post on there 2 things that are true about yourself and 1 thing that's a lie, and later on I'm going to have us go and highlight the truths and the lies if anyone is interested in finding some stuff out about us. So if you keep going, you get down to week 1, the scientific method and the chemistry of biology. Like I said, I'm probably going to extend this week into next week just because some folks weren't quite on Canvas yet. Let's go ahead and let's open this in a new tab so we can easily come back to here. Week 1, slightly different, but this takes us to our schedule for week 1. And I'm going to try to have these links up to date so that you can just click on them and it'll take you directly to it. So we can go back. And of course, I have the hiccups now. But if you just click on this thing, if you click on one of these links, it should take you directly to the page. So, theoretically, you could just navigate most of the course from here. But there are times where I may not have these links all up to date. I'll mess up or I'll just forget or something. But this tells you the assignment, the due date, the number of points that it is worth. Okay, let's go back to our modules. And, that's pretty much it. I like to take a little survey after you've done everything this week. Here is the week 1 quiz. Also, I recommend doing that at the very end of the week after you have completed the rest of the material for that. I used to put so that those had to be done at the end of the week, but some folks apparently get all their stuff done on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever they have work off or whenever they have the ability. So definitely do all of this other stuff before you take this week 1 quiz. All right. So that is sort of the basics of how to log on to Canvas and how to start working with this platform. Please, as always, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys online.